Welcome to Programmers Learn. This video is about tools for developers. This is part 2. This is code collaboration technologies and tools, which includes Slack, MS Teams, Discord, and Mattermost. So we are going to see about the developer tools and technologies used in code collaboration in this video. Tool 1 is Slack. So Slack is a cloud-based team communication platform which is developed by Slack Technologies, which has been now owned by Salesforce since 2020. So Slack is a freemium model, so it is free to use. So it is offered many services for business to business, which has a user base predominantly team-based business, and we can focus on business administration and communication using Slack. Tool 2, MS Teams. So MS Teams, you all know about that one. It's a team collaboration application developed by Microsoft, and it offers it is one of the Microsoft 365 family of products. So it offers workspace chat and video conferencing, file storage, sharing, integration, and it will also support some third-party applications and services inside this one. Team replaced other Microsoft-operated business messaging and collaboration platforms, including Skype and Classroom. So MS Teams is used nowadays in by many companies for the team collaborations and communications. Tool 3, Discord. So Discord is also similar like MS Teams, but it offers instant messaging and VoIP social platform, so which allows voice calls, video calls, text messaging, and media sharings. So the communication between private take place in virtual communicating communities called servers. So the server is a collection of persistent chat rooms and voice channels which can be accessed via invite links. So Discord runs on all kind of platforms, so it will be very useful for teams to use. Tool for Mattermost. So Mattermost is an open source self-hostable online chat service which offers file sharing as a great integrity. So it is designed to for internal chats for organizations and companies. Most markets result. Thanks for watching. Program is Steven. Please subscribe my channel.